Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all one of the easiest designs you can do if you either don't know what to do for your set or you're a beginner and like you are just starting out. This is literally a style that you can do no wrong with. Started out by painting my pinky and my pointer finger a solid color, and then I went and just put little blobs of paint in the other nails. It really doesn't matter where you put the colors. It's literally totally just random. Even the lines I drew on, they were random. You have like complete creative freedom when you're doing a style like this. Just put them anywhere. You really cannot go wrong. So then you see me drawing in the lines, and then I took my daughter tool and drew in a lot of dots all over the place. You can either go crazy or you can just do something subtle on these nails. And literally that's it. So I'm not going to talk anymore for the rest of the video. Thank y'all for watching. I'm just going to let y'all watch the rest. Bye.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm like, oh, fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and more. I just can't get everything, so I crazy. I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what you're loving me, boy. Don't let me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and more. I just give me everything, so I crazy. I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't ever wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. You ain't no longer sound. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't let me down. Just not doing what I want.
It's some me time,
Just doing what you want.
in the meantime.
Just not doing what I want.
It's some me time.
Just doing what you want.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.